So, good afternoon everyone. Now, we're going to tackle about on how to make paper bag. So, here are the tools using paper bag. First is the scissors, ruler, pencil, glue or double-sided tape, and hole punch. So, next is the materials using in paper bag. First is colored paper, cardstock or construction paper, and ribbon or twine for handle, decorative elements like stickers, stamps, or markers. So here are the step-by-step of making paper bag. So first, cut a piece of paper to 9.5 by 15 inches. Colored or patterned craft paper is ideal for this project. Wrapping paper or newspaper will do if you had something more delicate in mind. So the next is place the paper in front of you on a flat surface. Make sure to place it in a landscape orientation. Long sides up and down, short sides to the left and right. So the next is fold the bottom edge of the paper up to 2 inches by 5 cm and sharply crease the fold. When you're done, unfold. Note for the later that this will become the bottom of the bag. So the next one is fold the sides of the bag into place. Be sure to maintain the landscape orientation as you work. So the next is flip the bag over so that it sits blue side down. Make sure to orient it so that one of the open ends points toward you. So the next is fold the side creases inward to create a slight accordion effect. So the next is fold and glue the bottom of the bag into place. To determine which end is the bottom, look for the crease lines from step 3 that mark the bottom of the bag. Keep the bag flattened for now. So the next is pop the bag open. Make sure the bottom is completely closed off and that there are no gaps in the glue edges. So the next is add the handles and add the decorations of desired. And here are the finish of paper bag. So now I have a short video presentation of how I made the paper bag. So now class that you are finished watching the video, I have activity to give you. So here is the mechanics. I will group you into three. Each group will have a scissors, ruler, pencil, glue or double-sided tape, and a hole punch. So for 20 minutes, I want you to make a paper bag with your own design. So each group will select a representative to present their output in front on how they made their paper bag and what design they put on it. The group who meets the criteria of rubrics will win the game. So class, through that activity, you will be graded through these rubrics. Teamwork is 30%, creativity 40%, presentation 30%, the total of 100%. So the test one is answer the following questions. So class, kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the following question. So in each question, I will give you only 30 seconds to answer. So first question, 1 to 5. What are the 5 tools in using paper bag? So next question, number 6 to 8. What are the 3 materials used in making paper bag? So the next question, number 9 to 10. Give at least 2 steps in making paper bag. So in test 2, you have 10 points in this question and I will give you only 30 seconds to answer. The question is, what did you learn from the paper bag making activity we did? So class, after the quiz, I will give you an assignment and you are going to make an essay. Write at least 50 words in response to the question. What is the importance of the different tools and materials in making paper bag? And why is it important to gather the necessary tools and materials before starting a paper bag project? And class, through that activity, you will be graded through these rubrics. Clarity, 5 points. Grammar, 5 points. A total of 10 points. So that's all, class. I hope you learned something and thank you for listening.